Hi, this is John with WETI. And in the search of looking for better options for me to drink instead of soda, high sugar drinks, this by antioxidant drink blueberry flavor has come in clutch for me. So just having the option of just having a nice drink that is gonna be good for me because it already has packed in several vitamins and it's gonna give you a return for actually drinking something instead of just like loads of calories. So if you're just trying to maintain your calorie intake, taking a little bit easy on it, this Bai flavor, this blueberry flavor from Bai is just great. The availability, just going outside and having a drink. The flavor is really soft, not too high in sugar, so it's not going to be all over the place with the sugary drinks. So this is a great, great, great option for you. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.